Hello, this is Nahila, the President for the British Pakistani Women's Society. I'm just sending out this message for all the women across the world and also to give you an update regards to the work of the British Women's Pakistani Society, which is to encourage and develop the skills of women and encourage them to achieve their ambitions. The message we're sending today is to mark this day for the women who are feeling atrocities and who've had human rights violations and no inequality as well. So we stand for humanity, equality for these women, and we want to give them a voice and also to ensure that they're heard across the whole world and the international community take some action and to give them back their rights of freedom and democracy. So we stand for International Women's Day. This is the day marked for the women in Kashmir, besieged women who've been under curfew now since August the 5th last year. We wish the siege to end, democracy to be restored, and for women to be given back their chance of freedom and their rights, women's human rights. Thank you.